Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. Today I have got an amazing update for you guys, especially for those who are passionate about artificial intelligence. I'm going to tell you about an internship which Microsoft provides. Yes, you heard it right. Microsoft, in collaboration with Edunet Foundation, is offering a 4-week virtual internship for June 2025 batch. And the best part is it's virtual. Virtual internship means it's online, means you don't need to go somewhere. It's completely work from home kind of thing. It's online and it's absolutely free. Yes, I'll tell you all about this internship, how to apply and all everything. What is the deadline and what is the eligibility criteria in this video? Don't worry. But before that, I just want to tell you one thing. If during this summer, if you want to upskill yourself, and we know that DSA is playing a crucial part in both getting an internship and placements, as well as Java is the one programming language which is widely used in the industry. So if you are interested to learn DSA with Java and you are searching for right resources, then I have got you covered. You can now enroll in my DSA with Java course, Mastering DSA with Java course. And here what you will get, we are going to cover everything from scratch. Like if you don't know anything about Java, don't worry. We will be covering Java first, then DSA from basic to advanced. Theory plus practical. Not it's not that you will just get bunches of recorded lectures. No, practically lead code question will solve, placement questions, projects, quizzes you will get, assignments you will get, and many more things we'll be discussing. One thing is for sure, if you are going for any course, if you are learning something, definitely you will get stuck somewhere. So don't worry, I'm here to help you because every week I'm going to I'm conducting a live doubt resolution session every week, once in a week. So you can join that live session. You can ask me your doubts, and I'm here to help you. So I'm not going to like just upload the lectures and that's it. No, I'm there with you at every step. Don't worry. Plus, you will get access to a dedicated WhatsApp group also. After enrollment, you can just join that WhatsApp group, and there also you can message me. You can ask me the questions. You can interact with the peers, the other students who are in this batch. Okay, just discuss your doubts, problems, and everything. So I'm just like one message away from you in that case. Plus, for revision, you will get my handwritten notes. My notes are like most comprehensive notes. You will get in detailed manner everything in those notes also. So you can download these notes and PPTs and everything. So like it's best to revise these things. Okay. Now the link you will get in the description box of this video. You go and check out. You can check out what we have covered in this Java. Plus, at the last, you will get completion certificate also. And if you don't like uh like my teaching style or the course, you think that after enrollment this course is not for you, then within 1 week of enrollment you will get 100% refund. Don't worry. Right, so you can go there and you can check out what we have covered in Java till now and then in DSA. So you go and check out. Plus one more point is what right now a coupon code is also going on, gift 15, so you can just apply that and you will get extra 15% discount. So it is, I guess, uh, you have to grab this deal. Now, if you are not interested in both the thing, Java and DSA, you only want to learn Java programming language. So there, I have a special Java course also. You go there and check out that course. The link and the code, everything you will get in the description box of this video. You go and check out. Now, back to that internship. I'm just telling you this internship. Okay. Microsoft AI Azure internship, 4-week virtual internship. It's online. Okay, virtual internship for June batch. The last date to apply for this internship is 30th of May, but don't wait for that. Apply as soon as possible. Okay. So start date is immediately, like after 30th of May, you can start immediately this once you get selected. 6-week internship is there. You will not get stipend, but definitely what you will get the practical experience, the exposure, working with like the projects and all, that's worth. It will definitely, when you add this in your resume or on your LinkedIn profile, it will boost that thing. So I think you should go for this if you want to really utilize your, you can say that summer vacations. Now, what you will learn in this internship and in this program. So you are going to explore the world of artificial intelligence on Azure. So there will be like virtual workshops and expert-led sessions. Will equip students with foundational AI, fundamental like AI, and cloud knowledge as well, preparing them for future career opportunities. So AI as well as cloud computing also they are going to like teach you the basics, foundation of these things. So this 4-week internship program is basically designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of AI concept, real world AI applications, and student will learn about Azure AI services as well, machine learning models, AI driven problem solving. So, and this also includes industry expert led webinars and mentor led sessions to enhance technical knowledge. Sessions, mentor led sessions also you will get. You are going to work on real world practical projects. So it's really good. You will get the mentors who will guide you throughout your journey in mastering AI Azure fundamentals. And the start date is second week of June. Application deadline is 30th of May. Now, who can apply for this? Maybe you are like thinking anyone can apply. Anyone from any stream, from any specialization can apply. Whether you are a BTech, BCA, MCA, commerce, any student, arts students, you can apply for this. It's just that you have that willingness to learn. That is needed. That's it. Right? And you should available for the duration of 6 weeks and have relevant skills and interest as well. Right? If you don't know anything about AI, it's okay. No prerequisite is required for this internship. You can go for it. Right? If you are in first year, second year, third year, final year, or even if you are graduated, or even your faculty members can also apply for this. So you can share it as much as possible with your friends, with your faculty members, and who are interested in AI. You can just uh, share with them. So students currently enrolled in engineering, science, polytechnic, commerce discipline can apply. Faculty members interested in this can also apply for this, right? And beginners, advanced learners, no prior AI experience is required, and it is structured for all the skill levels. If you are a beginner, intermediate, or high level, it's for you. Only just you need valid Gmail account for Microsoft internship registration. Okay, you need that thing, right? Number of openings are 5,000, but don't think that okay 5,000. Apply as soon as possible because it's provided by Microsoft. So everybody is trying to applying for this internship. So apply as soon as possible. And what you will get, the perks. You will get AICTE approved internship recognition, adding credibility to your professional journey. So you will get that certificate also. You can share your achievements, your this on a LinkedIn, and definitely it will enhance your LinkedIn profile as well. Right? You are going to gain knowledge through a structured AI and cloud learning curriculum. Yeah, that's true. And the certification from Edunet Foundation is definitely enhance your resume and your LinkedIn profile. So I think you shouldn't miss this. Apply as soon as possible. The link you will get in the description box of this video. So below that, you just click on like I'm not a robot, and you just click on apply. You are logging as a student. Yes, confirm, and you are a student, university institution, or which student you are. You can just click on that, and here obviously you are not registered, so you can just click on register now. You have to fill some details here, your university details and your name and all, and then register, and after that you can apply for this. It's not that much to do, right? I hope you can do this. So the link you will get in the description box of this video. You go and check out. Now if you want me to upload more such kind of videos or any videos on any specific topic, you can just let me know in comment section. So that's it for this lecture. Now I'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye. Take care.